Hello, this is me again, part 2. This is my fridge. Wow. Okay, I have 3 yogurts. 3 more yogurts and juice and milk and eggs and oh, look at this. This is epic. Ah. and more in here. And last but not least, I have my cabbage. It says don't fucking touch. And here I said, if you touch, you die. And more. I have 2 more yogurts. Yay! And one Shasta Cola. And oh, this is the best thing. It has my name on it. See? Seth? It's short of Cedric. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you later.
Someone can't pronounce their own name.
Oh, also I have more here and two milks and 2 fruits and